listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Tell me just what a fool I've been. I wish that I could go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. Oh rain, please tell me now, does that seem fair? For her to steal my heart when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart is somewhere far away. Oh, listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Tell me just what a fool I've been. I wish that I could go and let me cry in vain. Let me be alone again. Well, let me be alone again. Oh, so let me be alone again. Hey, Barry here with song number 46. And what a great song by the Cascades, and also what a beautiful tune and melody for you to sing along and play on here on a Sunday in the United Kingdom. So wherever you may are, you know that when you come to this channel, I do my best to simplify these songs for you, and I break it down in 3 things. Number 1, chords. Number 2, song structure. Number 3, we look at the strumming. What can you strum, or what can you pick to make it sound the groove more like the song? And also really important is that very soon I have a 50 song ukulele book coming out with a code in the back, simplified, so that you can just take a beautiful picture and it'll take you to my website. Now let's dive right in. You're here to learn that song. Let's do it. Okay, so chords. Let's take a look at the chords for this song. Yes, we're going to challenge you a bit with chords, but by this time, 46 songs into this journey, let's go straight into. I expect of you to know these chords now. Okay, we're looking at the F. F is string 2, fret 1, and string number 4, fret 2. That's the F, and we play all those. And then from there, we're going to play that A sharp, but in the world of music theory, we refer to that as the B flat. But A sharp, B flat, same thing. And from that F there, it's nice. I wanted to just flop that finger flat. And what that does is your finger's not round like that, but it's going to go flat to squeeze both strings 1 and 2 flat like that. And then you can add a third. That's like level 1, A sharp chord. Level 2, you get that third finger in there, and level 3, you get all of them. So you go, listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. You need to, even that will work. Look, listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. So have a go at that, and then the easy C from there, and then we've got a D minor later on. So the C is just string 1, fret number 3. That's nice and easy. And then later on in the song, we've got a D minor. So it's like the F. So if you find the F, if you know the F, then you just place your third finger underneath on string 3, fret number 2. That's it. That's your D minor chord, and that's really, really simple, because we're going to be going from that F to the D minor anyway. So all is hover that finger there, and you're just going to squeeze that down. So take times change F, B flat, F, B flat, or A sharp, F, A sharp, F, A sharp, F, A sharp, F, A sharp. If you do it 50 times, good. 100 times, you're probably one of my better students. And then F to C, F to C, F to D minor, and then dive right in and play the song along if you are a beginner and not know how these chords work. Number 2, let's look at the song structure. Song structure, the song is in a 4/4, so nothing simple. That means just we're counting beats 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then generally we have F, B flat, F, C, F, B flat, F, C throughout our verses, and then the chorus, it just changes a little bit, throwing that A minor. Oh, there's an A minor and the D minor in there. Wherever you see, unless indicated otherwise, 2 chords in 1 bar, that means you're changing the F1, 2, and the C3. And that's about it. that's the song structure for you. Number 3, what can we pick and play to make it sound a little bit more the song? So we always look here now, what's the groove of the song? So turn the song on and hear what it sounds like. Is it really fast? Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Is it listen to the rhythm of the falling rain? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's quite basic to see and hear that it is best played in note values of eighth. And that's just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now, I'm not saying if you feel challenged and you feel like you can do it, you can go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. But that will just squeeze that bar both to half a bar. But let's dive right in. That's it for the song. The key is the same as in the song. I haven't changed that, I'm certain, but you can check that out. This makes it easier for me to sing it along. Okay, so we're going to go start on that F, and I'm going to count us in, and we're going to just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That B flat, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 to the C, 2, 3, 4. From the top again, we're going to do that again. Really important you get those fingers just hovering above the string so that you can easily just fall back. If I'm doing this F and then that takes quite a lot of time, so keep your fingers close to the string. So we go 1, get ready on the F, 2, 3, 4, and F, 2, 3, 4, the B flat, 2, 3, 4, back to F, 2, 3, 4, the C, and that all repeats again, 3, and back to F, 2, 3, 4, and the B flat, 2, 3, and now half a bar F, F, alone, F, 2, 3, 4, on the top, listen to the rhythm of the A sharp or the B flat, 3, 4, and the F, 2, 3, 4, it's on the C, 3, 4, F, and I wish that I could go and let me the B flat grind. Oh, let me be alone again, 2, 3, 4, and C. As easy as that. We're going to do that once more. 1, 2, but faster. 3, 4, but down and up. Listen to the rhythm of the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and telling me just what a fool I've 1 and 2, 3 and back to F and 2 and 3 and 4 and cry in vain. Half a bar F, 1 and 2, C, 3 and 4, F, 1 and 2, and C and 4. Then rain, please, no, does that seem fair? So that's the A minor. So let's go into the chorus now. We've got that B flat or that A sharp into the A minor. So rain, please, now does that, please tell me, now does that seem fair for her to steal my heart? And when she don't care, I can't love another. Okay, we're going to go through those. Really, it's important you pause the video here and find those chords first. B flat to the A minor, A sharp to the A minor, sorry, A sharp to the A minor. Should have changed that. B flat, A minor, A sharp, A minor, A sharp, A minor, and then A sharp, F. That's a nice and easy. Change that, and then the F and the F and the D minor comes up. Okay, we're gonna play through that. Hopefully you've got that now. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and rain, please tell me now, does A minor fare? The B flat or the A sharp to an F, don't care. Now I can't find another when my heart is somewhere far away. And a C, back to the top, B flat, A, please tell tell me now, does the A minor seem fair? To A sharp my heart away when she don't care. D minor can't find another when my heart is somewhere far away. And the C from the top. Let's go and listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. F coming, telling me just what a fool I've been. F, I wish that it could go and let me cry in vain. Oh, let me be alone again. Oh, rain, please tell me now, does that seem fair? For her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart is somewhere far away. Once more, nice and poor. And listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Tell me just what a fool I've been. Well, I wish that I could go and let me cry in vain. Let me be alone again. And 2 and 3 and rain, please tell me, does that seem fair? For her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart is somewhere far away. Once more, well I can love another when my heart is somewhere far away. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this song. It's a great song to sing. It's an easy one, and I hope you make this part of your little repertoire to entertain folk and have fun with. Nice song number 46 of our songbook, and also a great one. Now remember, please, I will have a link downstairs, and as long as the links last here on YouTube, there you can find and download the song. But most importantly, there's a link where you can buy me a beer if you like what I do here. I get more inspiration to do these amazing videos for you. And also, thirdly, there's an amazing book coming out soon. Keep checking here. I'm on the last little stretch. Have fun. Have a lovely rest of your evening. Bye-bye, or morning, or day, or afternoon.